Om Shanti. Today's story. In 1888, one fine morning, there was an article in newspaper and it was describing the death of one person. And it was a shocking news because it had mentioned the name of a wrong person. There was one person by name Alfred Nobel. He was reading that news which was telling that Alfred Nobel has died. He himself had died. Actually, it was the wrong news. In fact, his brother had died, Rudwig, but it mentioned he has died. It was by mistake. He was a Scottish engineer, inventor, later on a philanthropist. So, he was the person who had invented dynamite, and his intentions were very pure. Looking at his life, how, as a small boy, he used to work in those mountains, in those mines, and then gradually he developed interest in all that, and one day he invented dynamite that would help break mountains and create ways through the mountains. But the same dynamite was used in wars, and because of that, many people died. So the newspaper had that news and it said, "The merchant of death is dead." Because he was the one who had invented dynamite. And it also mentioned that the person who invented dynamite, the person who is responsible for the deaths of many, has died today. And it was by mistake. And when he read that news, "The merchant of death is dead," he was shocked and he thought, "Is this the way I am going to be remembered after my death?" And he was grieved at heart, and something happened within him. Till that, his inventions were in pursuit of money, name, and fame, and he had become one of the richest person in the world. This is the story of 1888, and then he decided, no, I need to do something else. And something happened within, a deep realization. This is how people are going to remember me? As a merchant of death? And I don't want this to happen. And he decided that all my property, all my estate, I devote to some noble cause. And a noble thought arose in that Alfred Nobel. And he decided, let me create something new. And he created Nobel Prizes. He was a very rich man. And he said, henceforth, every year this Nobel Prize will be given to a person who has excellence in some particular field, maybe science, philosophy, religion, or peace, regardless of nationality. He died after few years, and the first Nobel Prize was started in 1901, 10th December. This is how things happen. Now, nobody even remembers that this Nobel Prize is considered to be the greatest prize in the world. The person behind this and the story behind this was this. So, he was going on one particular path of life, and suddenly this event happened, and that forced him to change. So, any change that happens should be preceded by a deep sense of realization. We want better versions of ourselves, but the same weakness, same flaw, same imperfections exist. Probably the realization was not deep. Once it was a deep realization, only then the change will happen. Om Shanti.